Alright, this will work. So don't mind this. I exited my position already here. I did exit early, but it was well in the profit. There. There we go. It's almost 10 G's. Not bad, not bad. I did take profits early, unfortunately. Note to self, move the stop loss up. I know I definitely thought that, but I cannot wait to take profits on a 10K profit. Need to work on my greed for sure. Sounds funny, right? Because I took profits because of greed instead of holding it. That sounds backwards. But I mean, technically, all I had to do is put a stop loss below this level, and I'm pretty sure it's probably right around where I took profits at. Let's go to that one again. It's not loading right. Oh, this is what my setup here. And this is for the gold setup, obviously. You can see price bounce off this POC here. Support, and these EMAs too, Confluence. That was a good enough entry for me, and then the oscillators came to follow up in Confluence afterwards. I did take profits here already before my actual original target, but if price gives me a chance to confirm or retest off of around this value high, then I may look to long again if these EMAs hold. So I may look for another scalp on gold, and let's go to BTC. Kind of a scalp swing. So I don't think I did it on this chart. I think it was this one, it looks like. Yeah, and I also took profits earlier than I intended. I lost my stop loss take profit area. I'm used to Ninja Trader now, so I forgot where it is. I'm a little slow. Where is it? I know it's here. Come on. There it is. So similar scenario, except I got an entry over here. See, I was actually short from earlier because it rejected this POC right here. And then price held these levels. This value low here, as you can see, and I figured I think probabilistically it's more likely to go and test that POC at least maybe. So that's what I was thinking, and sure enough, it did that, and it succeeded that area, and I had a take profit area above the value area high, around 66,000 or so. I took profit just a hair below that, around 65.9 or so. I believe. I'll have to check again. So.
When was the last time I took a road trip? How many national parks could I hit in 2
Oh,
weeks?
sorry.
What about hotels?
Wow. Yeah, I don't have YouTube Premium. Okay, here's a trade I made today. It's copy traded. I'll just show you on the actual. Well, this doesn't count for anything. This is my gambling account, basically. So I was hoping to get more entries here, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get it. Definitely not gonna be following after hours, but we were literally a couple points from all-time high. It's either gonna keep ranging here for a while, or it's just gonna break it after hours. So that's why I'm in a long here. Like I said, I was thinking I'd get distracted here. So this is hilarious. All the way fucking down here. Oh my god. This is my setup. So my line in the sand was R2. And there's also a volume area over here of some sort for the current session. And once price broke, actually it broke, came up, broke again, and that's when I was able to get in. It was essentially a confirmation break, I was thinking, and oscillator structures. I was a little late, but better than being late than early on this. I wanted to make sure it was gonna actually break this level for sure again. And there were single prints below this as well. Where are we here? Yeah, so there was a. Looks like price filled these single prints out, but I entered in short. I exited right here. So okay, there's still some single prints here. You can see. And yeah, I took profit at 30 points or so. Okay. I also had that on copy trade, which duplicated multiple accounts, so that was nice. Not sure if I have anything else right now. My objective here for tomorrow is just one good trade on this account here, and that should put me, that will put it into a PA account. That'll be my first one. Well, from manual trading, I've done it with an algo before, but that's another story. So, don't know what else we want to talk about here. My name is Wes Kirk. I've been trading for 7 years, and I've been trading futures for the last 6 months. Primarily focused on NQ, a little bit of ES, but mostly NQ, 95% of the time. With ES, is more likely I'll trade my algos with because it seems to be a little more stable, or it has better results in some form. There is an Apex deal going on for $16 a month for 250k account with 6.5k drawdown. And yeah, it's good till Monday. Today is the 15th. That looks like a good spot for it to range here before it breaks all-time highs. Chop, chop, chop. I can see that doing that for a while, you know. So, again, strategy could be just keep buying the lows and every time price. Yeah, if it does that a few times, you could have enough to leave a runner more comfortably. PMARB is ultra red there. Oscillators are overextended. There's a divergence. Yes, price looks like it wants to come back down here. The question is do I get out now, since it's probably going to be a break even or a loss, unless I move the stop loss to a lower of a range? Or will the after hour bulls pick up the pace here in this area? We're literally like 10 points away from all-time highs on NQ. It's about an hour, 2 hours almost after hours. I already have Chrome open, what the fuck? Oh, I can see if it's creating new market levels, which, yeah, I have identified this one, POC. I'm gonna fill in my workout for today. Looks all crazy because of this blackout filter. Gosh. This is usually black, not white. Don't know how to turn it off on this individual page right now. It's called night mode. Ah. There we go. Let's go to May and fill out my workout sheet. Douse, scalp lift and squeeze, and dial down the back. This is like stick movement. It's just like, I don't know how you want to explain it, almost like yoga stuff in a way. Gotta do your warm-ups. Okay, and I got 10. That was 135. I don't know if I really need to give this a color. It's just, it was just blue. Kettlebell lunge, I did the 63 pounds per leg. Split stance, so this is a single arm. So I actually started kind of light at 27, I went to 35. Actually, it's probably 30 and then 32 or something. Something like that. Farmer's carry was definitely 126. I don't know why I did that. Duh. Single arm kettlebells are 35 pounds. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I see this was a 9 as well. Fix some font issues. Okay. I also did some biking. I did at least one. I did a hurricane press. I'll do another one today. Maybe that's what I'll do next in the video. Demonstrate what a hurricane press is. Tempted to take profits here because I think it might range a bit more before it takes off because of the potential low liquidity volume at the end of after hours, the end of day after hours. And it is technically getting close to confirming a local top, but it's not quite there actually, but I mean, not at all. But by the time it would be a break even. By the time it would confirm, potentially. Zoom in on the volume. It's This is this current session's high, I see. Okay, so look at that trend line it develops as well. I mean, I'm not too much of a trend guy, but trend line guy, I mean, but I love trends. Trends are the best. Pretty good. Well, yeah, this account's supposed to be a gambling account. I don't like to gamble. I don't gamble, but okay, I guess I'd be lying because I do sometimes. That's when I don't follow my plan. 'Cause look at all those fucking arrows. And that's why this is the gambling account, because this is down 3K. After a really great 2K day from early in the morning, but in a day kind of. I definitely got carried away there. This account cost $16. And yeah. I still have a 3.5K drawdown. If I secure this trade, that's only like $100, $50, so definitely need to increase the size. I think what I'll do is let's make a new ATM. I want to do it this way. $5. So I'll be risk-free. You know what? Let's do 8 and leave 2 for a runner. I like that. Max. It's crickets here. I'm gonna exit this and then just and then, well, God, I think it'll give us a retest here, but what do I know? I can only react to what the price does at certain levels.
Order filled.
Alright, so 90. How much do I got? I still got. I need to get like. Oh well. Just one step at a time. We'll continue this another time. We'll see where we end up here.